is a Christmassy Welsh word that's got roots. Literally, Uchelwydd, the Welsh for mistletoe, comes from Uchel, high, and Gwydd, which pertains to a tree. So literally, it's the high tree. And it hasn't always been called Uchelwydd. In older texts, you'll see forms like Uchelfa. The word has shifted over centuries, just like the plant itself, clinging to apple and oak. Now here's where it gets even more interesting. That little piece, Gwydd, doesn't just mean tree, it also means knowledge. It's in words like gwyddoniaeth, science, and gwybodaeth, information or knowledge. And when you put derw, oak, together with Gwydd, you get derwydd, the word for druid, literally the oak knowers. So next time you're under the Uchelwydd, remember, you're not just smooching, you're communing with ancient oak knowledge. Or you're just trying to get a smooch at a Christmas party. Either way, good luck.